All right, let's jump into the east to west Alta 2800 kbh with the bunk beds. As soon as you walk in on your left, you have a double over double bunk right here. Everybody gets their own light, their own USB ports. And this one, if you don't need the bunk for the minute, you can lift that up, store some stuff in there. And you can get to it from the outside too, which is pretty slick. Then you can cruise over here into the bathroom. You can see you got lots of storage above, below, medicine cabinet. Your sink's right there. Foot flush porcelain toilet, and you can see that's the tall toilet. More storage on the left-hand side there. Nice shower surround. That's a big shower. Swinging over here. Got yourself some recliners, a little spot for your coffee, and then so you don't lose the remote. I'd probably lose it anyway. Before we get into the rest of the living room, right here when you walk in, you got a nice big pantry. And you see how that lit up all on its own because the light is on a sensor. So you got storage, hanging room right there. Some accent lights. So the accent lights you'll see are over the top of the top there. So you'd have accent lights up here. You'd have accent lights down underneath there. And right over here, you have some pull-out drawers instead of doors. Now this is a 48-inch dinette. So from that end to this end's 48 inches. Most brands are 40. And then swinging around over here, bedroom, king bed standard, all that, storage. Even on the back side of the bed, USB ports, plug-ins, 12-volt plug-in, and more storage back there for your candy or your phone, of course, your glasses. Little flip up right here, so you got a little extra counter space if you want to feed the cat or the dog. Little spot right there. It's pretty slick. Swinging around, microwave, oven, storage. Nice big fridge. You got solar on the roof, storage down below. Now when you're sitting on your recliners over here, right across from your TV, got a cool little sound bar right there, and your fireplace. So this is your heat for furnace, and then it's ducted throughout. You see another one over there. And but if you just kind of want to take the chill out, like right now it's about 58 degrees, maybe you want to bring it up to about 65, you just turn that fireplace on, good to go. And then I think that's about everything on the inside. Let's see. Tankless water heater. That's kind of a big deal. I'll show you where that is on the outside. Standard 15K air conditioners. There's your thermostat, another plug. It gives you two kind of toppers for the sink here. So you have the roll-up style sink cover, and then you get the cutting board style. So you get both. Pretty cool. Pop open this fridge, nice and big. Man, there's a lot of room. Adjustable shelving in there. Nice big freezer. Lots of room in there. Let's go check out the outside now. Alright, presto, we're outside. So, I'm going to try to not slip on this ice, even though it's all half melted. So you're going to have an electric tongue jack right there. We're going to fill those propane tanks up. You get two Group 27 batteries with this puppy. Flip up magnetic storage. Boom. Metal slam latches. Look how nice that it's all finished on the inside. You can see that it's aluminum right there, and it's welded both sides. Swing it around, you get two of those flip-in doors. Speakers on the outside. Huge awning, runs just about the whole length of this thing. That's awesome. Then you have a outside kitchen right here. Another one of those stick-up magnet deals. This will pull out. You got a griddle, fridge, quick disconnect right there. Electric stabilizer jacks. There's that all you can eat water supply right there. Hot water all day long. You can get there from the outside. Spare tire. That goes all the way to the roof. And then you have backup camera prep right there. Electric stabilizer jacks. So that's your switches for the back. Black tank flush, lights right near your dump station. It's got really nice graphics too. Big windows. There's the two for the front. And then coming in over here, you can see that it's set up like a fifth wheel kinda, so you have all your controllers in here. So there's the charge controller for the solar, because there's 200 watt solar on the roof. Hot and cold water, city hookup, your freshwater tank hookup, 12 volt kill switch, lights, a little bit more power, and set up for winterizing right here too. So, and then your amp. So there she is.